No whistle, but Olegario comes away with a steal and backs it in. The heat waves. Napoles got blocked. Maguliano there for the stick back. De La Cruz for the lead. It's good! The playoffs, but two big misses from the line. Paul Galanza. Matchup. Miranda makes his move, puts it up, puts it in. Gabo. Long three-point shot. Oh my goodness! Hesed Gabo. Send that three.
To make that shot difficult for Don Lumaro.
Hard foul. 3 seconds remaining. Olegario for free. Lagan Isabela in Pangasinan. Tumalim hit. Pero wala munang kaibigan dito. They would
step back and kiss myself. Big time plays make big time plays.
In this game, still a lot of time to play.
Napoles attacks the defense of J-Boy Soles and he scores. Miranda quickly on the other side, wild shot, no whistle, but Olegario comes away with a steal and backs it in. The lead is down to 2.
Oh, lucky sequence right there.
Did not even see action in the first 3 quarters. Inserted here late in the 4th. Napoles will travel. Good stop by Ilagan Isabela.
What a big play for the Cowboys.
De La Cruz for the lead. It's good! The Cowboys up 80-79.
The exchange between these two teams, Ken.
Napoles tries to answer it short. Tumalip with a rebound. Teams in penalty. 9 seconds left. Tumalip. J-Boy Soles to Art De La Cruz. Ball stolen away by Pangasinan. Numbers here for the Heat Waves. Napoles got blocked. Maguliano there for the stick back.
That is why it's really there to color the rebound for the Cowboys.
33 seconds remaining. Olegario for free. No!
That's definitely off, JP.
Miranda. Soles to Olegario who tries another free. Flanks off the rim. Pangasinan saves it to Maguliano. Shot clock is off. Ilagan needs to foul and they do.
Oh boy. What? That was J.R. Olegario.
Big miss from the line. Art De La 19.9 seconds. Wala nang timeout ang Ilagan Isabela. Pangasinan has 2. Tumalip catches. Both teams in penalty. DH, ganap ng papasahan. Binigay kay AJ Miranda. He was not there in that initial matchup. Miranda makes his move, puts it up, puts it in! We are tied 82 apiece. Coach Gerson is expecting that. Let's see what he counters with here. Paul Galanza will trigger it in. Napoles catches against Dennis Santos. 7 seconds remaining. Gabo with 5 against AJ Miranda. Gabo will make his move. Will put it up. It's short. And we are going into overtime.
If you're wondering what playoff basketball is, blessings coming our way. And this is definitely a treat for every MPBL fan watching tonight to have this game go another 5 minutes as Hesed Gabo.
9 assists for Hesed Gabo. Mark Dyke posting up Harvey Pagsanhan. Dyke got blocked by Alin Bulanadi.
Medyo nang gigil siya dun. Talking about Mark Dyke, Harvey Pagsanhan could have put up a really good fight on the block.
Bulanadi's jumper won't work. A foul against Pangasinan. Both teams over the limit. Doing this without Vic Manuel on the floor. Mike Mabulak has fouled out. On the other side, Art coaching this newest team in the MPBL and would like nothing more than get into the playoffs. But 2 big misses from the line. Paul Galanza has had a shooting touch all night long. Knocks down another.
imagine to play this way after not suiting up in your last game. What a way to bounce.
Listen, Gabo. Ilagan, Isabela still sticking to this 2-3 zone. Air ball from 3 from Alin Bulanadi. Susugod si AJ Miranda. Puts it up and another basket for AJ Miranda.
He's just so possible for you to make a shot against. AJ Miranda just finds a way.
Mabas na dalawang lamang. Supalpal inabot ni Gabo kay Mark Dyke. Pero nandoon para linisin yung kanyang mintes si JP Maguliano.
Yung Magul,
Poor spacing here for Ilagan. They go to Mark Dyke. 5 seconds on the shot clock. Tumalip. Fakes. He drives. He puts it up. It will bounce out. Miranda with the effort. No. Wait. It's a shot clock violation. They will review it. I thought it was close, Javi.
quite close.
Yeah. And Alin against AJ Miranda. 9 seconds on the shot clock. Galanza balik kay Alin Bulanadi. 3-point shot will bounce out. Josh Diab grabs the board. Now it's with Miranda. 10 seconds left on their shot clock. The switch by Maguliano on Miranda. Cross over the attack. Able to draw a foul. Miranda will go to the line for 2 shots. 2 big free throws on the road. A big miss. Free throws also have been a problem. Wow, 4 misses from the Cowboys from the line in overtime. Gabo hit a big 3 earlier. Laban kay AJ Miranda. Shot clock winding down. 6 seconds left. Gabo. Long 3-point shot. Oh my goodness! Hesed Gabo drills in that 3.
Walang kaabag-abag. Walang kakaba-kaba.
93-86. AJ Miranda, the pass to Don Gumaru. Well executed play off a timeout as he banks in that 3.
That was the shot they wanted.
A lot of things can still happen here. Maguliano wants a clear out. Siya na magbababa ng bola dito against J-Boy Solis. The pressure gives it up to Napoles, who almost lost it. In fact, he does. Turnover forced by the Cowboys.
That was off his foot.
Ball game. Miranda with 10 on their shot clock. Guarded by Jory Napoles. 6 seconds. Miranda, the cross. The drive. Rejected and sent back to the friend zone by Jory Napoles.
That is lockdown defense.
To J-Boy Solis. Balik kay McCoy. 5 segundo sa kanilang shot clock. Step back 3 from McCoy Marcos. It will bounce out. And sorry, miss from McCoy if you're the Cowboys. Miranda tightly guarding Lawrence Victoria. Ooh, not a good foul. Miranda was, sorry, Victoria struggling from the line. It will continue with Victor.
Especially with this kind of situation.
94, but does have 8 rebounds and 6 assists. Gumaru at sacks. Ooh, too strong. Was right there at the cup.
Excellent defense played there by Hesed Gabo to make that shot difficult for Don Gumaru.
Hard foul given up by Don Gumaru. It will send Bong Galanza at the line.
Minutes.
Galanza hits the free throw.
Averaging 10 points per game this season.
Gives it up to Gumaru. Not a lot of time for Ilagan Isabela.
Somebody's got to take the shot.
They need to make up for 3 possessions. Miranda drives. And more free throws coming for the Cowboys.
Games, it might even be the most important. Because sometimes that at all, parang tigas na ng calf muscle mo.
Bumigay na. Enjoying this game between Ilagan Isabela and Pangasinan. Tumalip giving up the foul.
Magkakaibigan naman to lahat eh.
Sinasabi ko sa inyo, magkakampi ang dalawang yan dati. Pero wala munang kaibigan dito, sabi ni Jory. Hindi nagustuhan ni Jory yung parang pinaahan ni PH habang nakabagsak si...
These are the moments that he loves, Ken.
Yeah.
May not on his squads.
One of the rare guys that shines under the bright lights, Hesed Kabo. 98-91. Miranda got blocked and that's the ball game. Lucky for Ilagan Isabela, they will live to fight another day, but that's gonna be a knockout match going up against the surging One Bataan Risers. And on the other side, Javi, oh boy, Pangasinan.
If you don't like that, you don't like NBA basketball.